be into my new car. Underneath, the paint's originally red, as you can tell, and it was wrapped flat black or matte black, whatever you want to call it. There's a lot of carbon, so he's got the turbo vent in the headlight with the original carbon on there. I believe this is a VIS front bumper, and he's got the Riddick's side skirt attachment on there. I'm not really sure what side skirts these are, but I know for a fact that it's all carbon setup, especially in the vents here. Carbon door handles, there's a lot of carbon in this car. I believe this is top secrets, or 2000, don't quote me on it because I'm really not sure, but I believe it's a $2,000 diffuser. I believe it's an HKS exhaust. I have yet to actually look at this car fully, but it'd be nice if I could get the key. But let me pop the hood for you guys, show you what we got going on. So like I said before, this is an original 2J car. We got a Precision 6767 turbo. He's got it's a little cold. Just purring now. This had a TRD wheel on it. We gave it back to him. Get off. Shebang. So this will be the new wheel. It's mad small and I like it, but we'll see. So that'll be the new front bumper that's going on. It's the OEM with an OEM lip. So we're gonna change that out. We're gonna take the aftermarket one off and then put the OEM baby on and then see how she looks. So Timmy already took off the door. The car's really old. It has the original red paint. So underneath, the clear coat's not really like in the best shape in the world. And I believe this car was wrapped previously once before because there was already clear missing. They're definitely gonna wet sand everything, get everything all like prepped up. And right now today, the main objective is get the wrap off what they're doing right now. We got the air garnish. different color, that's fine. I'm colorblind anyway. It needs to be sanded still, so we're gonna take everything off as much as we can. He wet sanded as best as he could on here. So these are gonna get ready for wrap, and then that's the color. Yo, say something in Spanish.
No. All right.
Yeah. So if you guys ever want hood latches, hit up Gus. Come on a Saturday when he's about to leave. He'll do it for you. More than you can afford. No, just kidding. I can show you the hood.
I'm riding in a beautiful Supra out of nowhere. Oh my God, Tommy! Yeah.
What's up? Oh yeah, there she is. Thank you.
What's going on, guys? We'll get it squared up. All right, perfect. All right, guys, I just wanted to thank you guys so much. I'm very grateful for just having an awesome family, wife, and just friends and subscribers like you guys for just supporting this channel and making everything happen. Looking back, and since 2017, building that Supra the way that it looks now, definitely needs some change, definitely needs some upgrades, definitely needs everything. But what I am noticing is that having this YouTube channel and having the Supra and being blessed with just like an amazing family and core to start, it makes this so easy for me to the point where I'm enjoying it. I'm not gonna lie, with everything going on in life, being married now, things were just escalating, and I was kind of just like, not that, it just felt busy all the time. And looking back at these videos, there's something that you guys don't know about building cars. Building cars also builds memories, and I'm so thankful that I had the Supra, and looking back within the last minute or so watching the videos, it looked amazing. The fact of how much has occurred within the last year or so with the car. I look forward to this summer. I look forward to shooting more content. Please let me know down below if we should just start adding more things to the Supra, upgrading the Supra, body kit, why body kit, new paint. You guys tell me. I would love to see it, because I want to be doing this in another 2 years or so and looking back at the new upgrades and the new look for the Supra for this for 2020. So definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Peace.